It is so hot in front of all these lights, like, dear God. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angie, of course, and today I wanted to film a natural glam for the summer. It's not even a glam. I can't even say it's a glam. It's like if you need to go out real quick and you just want to look put together but not like beat, like liner, cut crease, brows, super crazy brows, then this is what you want to do. When I was like working at a grocery store, this was like after the first couple of days, like my whole morale for working there kind of died down, and this was like the makeup look I would do to like put myself together, and then eventually that died down too. So but yeah, so let's get started. Usually if I'm wearing natural makeup, I don't prime my face because I have the intent to go out for like literally less than 2 hours, but we want to prime the face with something. Actually, first I'm going to spray my face with the Smashbox primer water because it is hot as hell and I just need some like cold something hitting my face. So we're gonna it's so hot. Next I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild primer. This is the matte one. If you want to go dewy, they have a dewy primer as well, but look, the only thing that should be dewy on my face is my highlighter. So next I'm gonna go on to the brows because I feel like the brows kind of give me a nice basis to start on my makeup. And I'm just gonna, now with the brows, okay, you guys know when I do my brows, I like fill them in extra dark and like super conceal under them and around them. But if I'm just doing natural makeup, like I'm not gonna be doing all that. So I'm just gonna fill them in lightly using the NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade, the one that I always use. Now that they look bushy, I'm going to be taking a concealer. It's the Maybelline Super Stay Better Than Skin concealer, and this is like closer to my skin tone than what I usually use, which I mean in comparison to this one, I'd be using this one in 40 and this one is in 60, and you know that's because if you're going with natural makeup, it's gonna take more foundation, more contouring, more magic with the base makeup to make a lighter concealer look right on your skin. And since we're not going to be putting on a lot of foundation because it's a more natural look, you don't really want to do that. Anyways, I was very light-handed with my concealer because I don't want to have to blend too much out, but I mean, we're just gonna do a little bit of this. People are so loud in my house and like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose my mind. Okay, and as you can see, like I could go out like this if I really wanted to and just blend it out a little bit more, but next, I will do a little bit of color correcting only because I'm just not okay with people seeing my 5 o'clock shadow. So, taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Kit And I'm going to be taking the orange color. I'm actually going to be going in with my finger. I'm just like tapping it in because you don't want there to be too much orange, because then you're going to have to put more foundation over it, which is not the point, because if you want to go for a more natural look, you don't want to be wearing too much foundation. You don't want to be wearing too much of anything. You just want like a very light coverage. So yeah, obviously if you don't need to color correct and you are blessed with no hyperpigmentation, then that's fine. But I wasn't, so boom. And it's already blended out, boom. So next, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in 356. I'm actually going to take it on more of like a stippling brush, because if I wanted it to be more full coverage, I'd use like a beauty blender or a dense blending brush, a dense foundation brush, but this is like really not dense, so whatever. And I'm just taking like spinning motions. I'm not really taking stippling motions. I just like to spin it and just blend away. Now, don't be alarmed, because it's going to be streaky, but it all blends out in the end. It doesn't matter. Like, your skin is more likely to show through, like, your natural skin. So, like, if I had, like, freckles or something, that would show through. But I don't, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. Now I'm taking a damp blending sponge and actually going over that and just patting it all in, making it even less full coverage, or giving it less coverage, I should say. And now I'm just making sure everything is seamless, because we're not trying to be looking crazy out here. Then the same concealer we used around the brows, we're going to use under the eyes. Now you could just conceal under the eyes. Sometimes I did that, if you want to, but you know, we got company over, so I'm gonna have to look a little more put together. Yeah, but you see, it's like fairly close to my skin tone. Like 1 or 2 shades darker instead of like 5 or 6 shades lighter. Whoa, that didn't make any sense. Anyways. Natural. So then I'm going to actually set with the Laura Mercier loose setting powder. You can take any setting powder that isn't heavy, and I feel like this is less heavier than the Airspun powder, so that's why I'm using it, because I don't want it to look like too full coverage, and just literally like lightly, like I'm not even really baking. Then I usually wouldn't set my entire face like, you know, with like the crazy like powder. I would just go straight into contouring. For that, I'm just taking the e.l.f. Prime and Stay Finishing Powder in a darker shade. I'm going to be contouring with that. Just lightly, nothing crazy. More like bronzing, if anything. Especially like now, because, you know, it's getting hotter, you know. You want to look like bronze and like golden. Beautiful. Okay. If I was ever feeling some type of way, I would throw on some lashes. So I would usually just take lashes that would look like they're regular lashes, like my own lashes. Nothing like crazy like to my eyebrow kind of lashes. Just something very natural, very neutral, and like, oh, look at her, she has pretty eyelashes. Not like, wow, like what pair of lashes are you wearing? So I hope you cannot hear the drumming in the background, because that Anyways, midway through doing my makeup, tell me why I started thinking about the song Cool for the Summer, boom, but I think that's because like I'm really hot and I'm trying to be cool, boom. So then I started thinking about how when the girls from my school met Demi Lovato and like was posting like, oh my god, like you're such an inspiration in my life, boom. So then tell me why all I can think about now is like when she was in that interview thing for her little documentary, and she was on like, yeah, the last time I did an interview for this long, I was on crack cocaine. And I was like, what? Like, what? I don't know why I'm thinking about that, but that popped into my head. Okay, boom. Obviously, you have to hit your bottom lashes. I would always forget to do my bottom lash mascara, and I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Protein mascara. I honestly don't care what kind of mascara I use. Mascara is mascara. Boom. You know, honestly, I'm using the same brush I use for the foundation just to put more blush on. Because it doesn't matter. I've been doing that a lot lately. Like, just using the same face brush for, like, everything. And I kind of like it. Boom. And that was the e.l.f. Bright Pink blush. I use it basically, like, all the time because it's just a really good color. Boom. Then I'm going to spray my face again with the primer water again. And then, you know, from here you can just go, or you can put on highlighter if you just want to take it there. Now, places you can highlight just to give yourself that natural glow. I'm taking the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Hustler Baby. Catch your cheek. Obviously, I'm taking the same brush if you didn't catch that. Really natural. People do this as like their everyday makeup. I could never do my makeup like every day like this. I'd get bored. Let me just say I dropped this and I had to like fix it. Oh my god, I thought my life was over. To be honest, I thought I was gonna lose it. It was bad. Then catch your nose, Avi. Just a little something on the nose. Then, if you want to take it even more there, you can do the inner corners of your eyes. Real cute. Real cute. Really like brightening to the eye. And then, you know, like right here. Well, anyways, next is the lip, but I obviously forgot the lip liner. I'm going to line my lips with brown. This is from... Do you hear that? Do you hear that? If you're wondering, it's drums. Yeah, this is just from Wet n Wild. It's brown. That's all I know. And then I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb? I don't know. I'm taking the lip gloss from Fenty Beauty and I'm slapping it right on. Okay? Boom, that's it. You know, like this, obviously this video is way longer than I would take to do this. I'm not even joking. Like, literally, I would have, like, probably 10-15 minutes to get ready, eat something, and then leave my house. So, I used to pew this all on my face, like, quick, because sometimes I just wasn't trying to look busted sometimes. And then I gave up on that. But, yeah, just a very natural look. I think it's so summery. I think it's so glam, and it's not too heavy. You could mess around and forget there's anything on your face and be touching it, rubbing your eyes, and all that crazy stuff. No shadow, so that you don't have to spend time on that. Eyebrows are still snatched, but they're not crazy and like jumping out at you. The lashes look so natural. Once again, I need to film a tutorial on how I do my eyelashes because you guys would be amazed. And yeah, you could do the look without highlighter, or you could do it with highlighter, you could do it without blush, you could do it with blush. it's really up to you and how much time you have, but yeah, I'm a fan of this lick, you know what I mean? But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hopefully it's quick. I gotta see how long it is once I edit it down, but I hope it's like under 15 minutes, because I had to keep breaking because people want to be loud, but it's okay. If you want to keep up with me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram at APLou28. You can follow me on Snapchat at APLou128. And you can follow me on Twitter at SYRI36966. While you're here, you might as well subscribe to my channel, because, like, why would you waste your time and watch my video and then not subscribe? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, and yeah, guys, let me know what other videos you want to see. I have a few ideas for future videos that are coming out soon. I'm also thinking about uploading more than once a week, you know, once I get my life together, you know, once school is officially over, once I officially graduate, because the Lord knows I want to leave. Well, yeah, once again, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and, you know, stay tuned for more, because there will be more. But yeah, bye guys.